Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. It's Guy, and in today's video we're going to hear about the Legion network, which is actually the best of blockchain in one decentralized super app. So whether if you want to play to earn, whether if you want to learn and actually make money, whether if you want to optimize your business features, or in general if you want a secure and very simple but powerful wallet for your crypto, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Legion? So actually Legion is the best of blockchain in one decentralized super app. You can literally have here anything that you need in order to get started. You have here the world's first collaborative NFT marketplace. You can actually play games and earn crypto. Literally, you can make money while you're enjoying yourself, and also you can earn crypto while you watch. So you can actually an easy to use online watch to earn education platforms with myriad of seminars and lectures structured in a clear and precise way. And it will allow everyone to create and upload their own online courses, workshops, podcasts with additional gamification features so you can actually earn knowledge. And also you can win weekly cash prizes. So with Legion Rewards, you will be able to enter the weekly giveaways to win prizes by completing different tasks every week, and those tasks will allow businesses to increase their exposure to their community, who will be rewarded in return. So in general, it's a win-win situation. And by the way, if you will have any questions, you can head over to their Twitter. They have over 222,000 followers, and they have a very engaging community. As you can see, some of their posts have tens of thousands of engagements, and some of them thousands of engagements. So if you have any questions, you can head over to there, and you will see that they have a very nice community that will be glad to answer you. Now, you can actually click on here on download the app, and while you do that, you can see their live updates to buy the Legion token, to stake LGX, meaning to make passive income, and to refer and earn, meaning that you can make your money without doing anything actively. Like you can just click on a few buttons or even share it with friends and actually to make some money. And you can actually get access to all their services, and you also have the Legion wallet. So you can actually download it or to your Apple phone or to your Android, meaning that you can use it on any smartphone, and that way you will be able to get easy access to all the same powerful features and much more. Now about their team, as you can see, you have Arthur Ahmed and also Jason Hung, and you can actually read about each one of their team members on LinkedIn, and that way you will be able to understand more details about what this project is all about. Now, if you want to stay updated about every change there is in this incredible Legion network, you can actually click on subscribe, and then you will be able to stay notified. But also you can actually follow them on their social medias in order to make sure that you're notified in every part. Now about their ecosystem, as you can see, they have a revolutionary new blockchain ecosystem. As you can see, there is the Blue Moon collaborative NFT marketplace. As I said, the Arcadia is the play to earn platform. The Empower, you can actually learn how to earn in a platform, and rewards, the community giveaways, and also BizPad, meaning the business applications. Now, if you want to read more in details about them, you can actually read in here, or you can actually head over to their light paper, and then you will actually need to actually scroll down, and you will be able to read about them a little bit, and you'll be able to see all the hot details about them and much more in details, and that way to understand what, for example, their core elements of their ecosystem. So first of all is the Empower Academy, their collaborative NFT platform and metaverses, and also their play to earn and their SaaS solutions, meaning that BizPass is a business application hub that will include task management applications, CRM solutions, accounting systems, online point of sale solution with interactive dashboards and deep analytics, meaning that you will be able to actually use this network in order to actually implement a lot of things that you need in your business in one place. And the less platform that you use, but then each platform that includes more details and more features to your business, the better, because the less places you have your data and your analysis, you can actually analyze and to improve your business as fast as efficiently as possible. And also, you can actually see there is collaborations and NFT contents, social features, and gamifications, meaning that users will be able to engage with artists on the platform by rating and commenting on the NFT project and participating in live discussions. And also, you can actually integrate with the Metaverse, and also their user experience has very unique features. And beauty is that they are very simple to use, such as comparing, swapping, and renting NFTs. All of these features normally require different platforms and high fees, but as you can see in here, that you can do all of them in their Blue Moon marketplace. Now, another cool thing is actually their Blue Moon VR features, meaning that their Blue Moon aims to innovate the way users showcase their most prized NFTs on public, and buyers will be able to engage with the seller's NFT directly from their VR space, which is incredible because it actually creates experience unique to the standard marketplace format. And actually that way you will be able to customize and actually enjoy virtual spaces, which is incredible. Now, in summary, Blue Moon unique features are the idea that you can actually compare NFTs, you have collaborations, you have the social features that you will be able to actually engage on the platform by following creators, saving and favoriting NFTs, and taking part in live discussion, reviewing, rating, and commenting on NFT projects. And also you have contest hosts that will pick a winner from a contest, and additionally leave ratings for the remaining participant, which is great. And also you can swap, you can gamification, and you can actually rent NFTs in an agreed period of time, which is great. Now, their NFT marketplace has low gas fees. The commission is very low, as you can see, 2.5%. They have fiat integration, multi-chain. The token is great, and you can actually read about their token. And as you can see, that comparing to other NFT marketplaces, they have a lot of advantages. Now, about the Legion Super app. So it's actually their revolutionary blockchain ecosystem folds out into top-notch cross-platform super app, and that way you can actually, as I said earlier, it's not only in business but also in a budget, and also when you invest. When you have multiple features on the same app and in general in the same place, it's much easier to analyze and to actually make better decisions because you can actually see everything in one place, and that way you don't forget, you don't need to get out from an app and head over to another one and then one of them closes. Like, you have a very easy to use but very advanced and detailed app right here, and you also have their crypto wallet, balance updates, and you can actually get access to all the apps and also get announcements. And the cherry at the top, you can actually stake and actually make money and also win rewards. And the simplicity actually can help to make NFTs more common among consumers from different industries and regions, which is great for anyone that want to get into the NFT industry, because the more that will be people, the more trading volume will be probably, and will be more demand. And when the demand increases, the price can actually increase as well. So if you hold NFTs, and actually you see that this project make NFTs more common, so it's very, very smart to actually learn about this project and to understand what makes it so appealing. And if you want to learn more, you can actually go to here to their light papers. Now, also, as you see, they have their Empower Academy, they have courses, live workshops, podcast interviews, and much, much more. And also the token details, if you want, you can actually read in here about the Legion token, and that way you will be able to hopefully make an investing strategy that will be best for you. And also, as you can see, the Legion token utility is actually here, so you can actually see the staking benefits in each one of them: silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and legend. And also you can see in here the explanation of how it actually works. Now, also about their roadmap. So as you can see, in 2021, in the first quarter, Legion Network launched and actually did research and development, and also the development team assembly. And on the second quarter and on the third quarter, they actually made phase 1 and 2 and 3 of the development initiated, and also the Legion wallet development and the Legion mobile app development for iOS and Android, and also the Empower Academy Watch to Earn launch, and the BeastPad, and much, much more. Now, in 2022, as you can see, they got listed on different exchanges, the Blue Moon Marketplace V2 launch, the social features on Blue Moon, and the fiat payment for NFTs on Blue Moon, and also their compare, rent, feature release, and much more. And on the second quarter, as you can see in here, Blue Moon phase 2 and 3 development complete and NFT launchpad launch, and also the first version of Legion P2E NFT game release. And in the third quarter, the Blue Moon development will be complete, and also first major brand competition launch, the Blue Moon rent feature in VR, and also the Blue Moon swap feature in VR, and also 1 million mobile app downloads and 2,500 registered creative and 50,000 users on Blue Moon. Now, and also major exchange listing. So if you want to stay notified about everything that is going on in this project and hopefully actually use this project also to make some money, make sure to follow them on of their social medias. Head over to their website and also read in their blog, and that way you will be able to learn about each part of this project and actually develop your mind and hopefully learn as best as possible how you can maximize your profit and your strategy with crypto and NFT in general. So for summary, if you want to use the best of blockchain in one decentralized super app, to use collaborative NFT marketplace, take part of the metaverse, play to earn, watch to earn, and SaaS that will help your business explode and actually make it easy to work more efficiently and hopefully to even help you to make more profits, make sure to head over to the website legionnetwork.io by clicking the link down below, and make sure to follow them all of their social medias in order to stay notified about every update that they have. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask them. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with the cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.